Hi guys, quick video here about water hammer that I'm experiencing while doing laundry. You might experience this issue from any of the fixtures in your house that are supplied with either hot or cold water. This one just happens to be occurring when I do laundry. So one of these HE washing machines, and whenever we turn this on, we'll notice a banging in the house, and that's actually the pipes. I'll go down and we'll get this thing started and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so now I'm down here in the basement. My wash machine is filling up and we're just going to record here. This is the pipe that I'm having issues with, and it's just going to kind of bang against here. I guess the HE washers are notorious for this. There it is right there. So I can hear that throughout the whole house. So now we're going to go upstairs and we're going to fix this. Okay, so I'm back at the wash machine, and this is actually what I've purchased. These are Hammer Arrestors. This is actually going to go into the very back of the wash machine, into the hot and cold water supply, and we'll hook the water line up to that. Basically what this does is it has a cylinder here that relieves the pressure as this valve shuts off and on very quickly with these HE washers. So I'm going to put one of these on the hot and cold, and that should take care of our water hammer. So let me pause this real quick. I'll get these on and we'll try it. Okay, so we're looking at the back of the dryer here at the hot and cold water lines. So you can see that I got the water arrestors on both of them. It was a pretty simple procedure. I did remove the power just to make sure we didn't have any accidents there before I removed the water lines. And I did bring in a pan, but not much water came out of it. So with those installed, we'll go turn this on. We'll go downstairs in the basement and see what happens. Okay, so we're down here in the basement for the moment of truth. I've got the wash machine upstairs going. Let's see what happens. So, nothing. Should be banging around, cycling back and forth right now, but it's not. It's absolutely still. So, putting those valves in seems to have, the arrestor seems to have solved the problem for my washing machine. Now again, this isn't just limited to washing machines. I just narrowed it down to my washer because I noticed I was only seeing banging pipes and hearing banging pipes during the washing cycle. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Follow me for more videos.